Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix the Pantone official color of the year, Peach Fuzz. Introducing Pantone Color of the Year 2024, Peach Fuzz. A velvety gentle peach whose embracing spirit enriches mind, body, and heart. A warm and cozy shade highlighting our desire for togetherness with others and the feelings this creates. Peach Fuzz present approach to a new softness. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep updated on our more paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order: 1 liter of Peach Fuzz semi-gloss latex paint. We have here 1 liter of semi-gloss latex white. First we have to reduce at least 50% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Let's now add ochre color, Hansa yellow. Let's also add ochre color Tuladine red. Stir the paint very well to come out the color result. We are more yellowish. Let's add more Tuladine red. We are slightly darker. Let's add more semi-gloss latex white. Let's also add a little more Hansa yellow. It's almost the same. Let's just add more semi-gloss latex white. Yes, it's the color of the year 2024. Peach Fuzz, mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.